joy and peace. We begin with the clapping of the hands. 1, 2, 3. Both hands up. Right foot. 1, 2, back, left, right. Slide off your towel. Swing it to your right, left. Pause. Go in a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Curl overhead and walk right, 2, 3. Repeat. 1, 2, 3. Hands up, enjoy. 1, 2. Back, left, right. Towel off. Swing it to your right, left. Stop. To your chest, left. 2, 3, 4. Curl overhead and spreading joy. Right, 2, 3. Once more. Clap. 1, 2, 3. Both hands up, enjoy. Right, left, back, left, right. Slide off towel. Pause. Right, left, pause. Go in a circle. 1, right, left, 2, 3, 4. Curl overhead and spread joy. Right, 2,